guys, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by again for my new post. This is part 2 of things I wish I knew when I started producing. This one's gonna get into a little bit of more of the technical side of the things I do. I'm working in real time this time. You can see I've kind of put a little indication marks where I hope things will change throughout the beat. You can just do this by selecting the space and hitting Alt-T. Then you'll be able to type the title in there. This is a rough beat I kind of had in my head. I pitched it up because it sounded horrible. Yeah, I know you're loving that. So, the first thing I'm going to talk about is translation. What I mean by translation is we're going to take that audio and we are going to turn it into a melody on flstudio. We're just going to copy this. Okay, so the drop is just slight alternative to that. Ooh. That's how the translation goes. Record it and then copy it in your DAW. So you don't have to be thinking, how does my melody sound and all that. You got a counter melody. Also opened up FPC drum machine. Just added hats on 2s. So it sounds like this. Added bass, just duplicated the default citrus. We used FPC drum machine to just make this simple loop. Beat loop. Alright, so that's basically translation. I call it translation. I have to name my techniques because
I'm an anime fan.
But yeah, just translation, getting from your idea to phase 1, and then I'm just going to show you phase 2 right now. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys phase 2, which is actually finding all the sounds that you're looking for. I want this main melody to be some sort of trumpet. So I'm gonna use BBC Symphony Orchestra. Just replace the default. Now this is where the magic happens. We're looking for a trumpet. We're gonna find a trumpet. Nice. Maybe we'll use a pad for that. Either a lead or a pad, so. That sounds incredible. Let me stop before I start spinning bars somewhere. I'm just gonna relayer my kick. Yeah, we need a double for the second one. Just nice. Nice. I need a Lex crash. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, the bass sounds good to me. That's sounding pretty good so far. Yeah. Oh yeah. Adding something even more sophisticated. Okay. Nice. Let's see. So guys, let's listen to this cook-up, this masterpiece. This is the beat. I hope you guys learned something from this. Comment, like, subscribe if you like this video, and I'll do more as soon as possible. Catch you guys later.